Can we talk about the crochet slip knot for just a minute? Because according to the internet, it's supposed to be easy, right? And yet I've seen a surprising number of beginners get completely stuck right here. Not because they're doing anything wrong, but because nobody explained what's actually happening. Hey crochet friends, I'm Mo, your crochet companion, and today we're solving one of the smallest crochet mysteries, the slip knot. That tiny little knot that stands between you and literally every crochet project you'll ever make. All right, the real problem. When beginners first see a slip knot, it can feel like something kind of like a crochet magic trick. All right, so this is kind of what I was talking about. We're going to just show you real quick. So this is how I do a slip knot. I take my end, wrap it around my finger, going away from me, go up and over. So you see that it went up and over, right? Now, this is what I do to make it a lot easier. So I remember I go under the first strand, over the second strand. Then I scoop it up, release, and pull it up. Just like that. Now the problem is, if you don't understand which strand does what, it can get frustrating really, really fast. Now, the reason why it's called a slip knot, it's because it slides. So you see, it slides just like that. When we pull a working yarn, the loop changes sizes. Pull the tail, look at that. So working yarn, and then you pull the tail. And the tail, when you pull the tail, it goes closer to your hook. Now, if I take my hook out and I pull the tail, it undoes the knot, which is very useful, right? Very useful feature. Now let's go ahead and do that again. So I'm going to take my end and point it away from me and wrap it around my finger, just like that, up and over the strand that's on my finger. I'm going to go under the first strand, over the second strand. I'm going to scoop it up, and when I do, I'm going to release my finger, grab the tail and the working yarn, and scoop it up. Now, you take your working yarn to make it bigger, and your tail to make it smaller. Yes, I know, the slip knot is not the actual project, but it's simply the doorway. It's the starting point. The thing that gets us ready for the first chain. And once you understand that, it stops feeling like magic. So tell me honestly, did the slip knot make sense immediately? Or did it take you a few tries before your hands figured it out? And until next time, may your loops cooperate and may your hooks never hide.